Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size dashboard layout happy planner that I use as a catch-all. This will be for the week of October 13th through the 19th. And we're going to use some oldie but goodie stickers. They're not really that old, but some previously released stickers that I have available in my shop. These are called Honor. I love the pretty pinks and browns, perfect for fall. So we're going to use those to decorate the spread. And I did pick out some washi. This I think is a Happy Planner washi, previously released. So I'm not sure if you can find that or not. This one is linked in my Amazon storefront. So there should be a link in the description to find this washi in my Amazon storefront. I'm not sure if I'll use the mini, but I did get it just in case. I'm going to start with the large sticker sheet though, and then I have the matching boxes. This is an older style box that I previously released that has the lines and the grid in it, so I don't do this anymore, but they still are available like that in my shop. I think I kind of want to start kind of like I've been doing. Do I? Or maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we could do these books over here. I kind of don't want to go down the center. We'll go there. And then I'm not going to white out that notes. I probably could have, but it's okay. So we'll go there. And then I got 𝗟𝗡𝗞 had her new Faith release, and so sneak peek, I got her new Faith planner. I did change the disc. I didn't like the disc that it came with, so I put some clear discs on it. And then I got her two of her Faith books, and we're gonna probably use, I don't know, let's see, I might use Amber Plans Her Day. I've got my Bible basket out in the living room. I was doing some Bible study last night, so Amber's book, the one I'm using, is out there, and the other one of 𝗟𝗡𝗞's Faith books is out there in my Bible basket. So let's just try to find a quote out of here that we could use. I'm really liking using the Faith quotes. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, his love endures forever. I kind of want a bigger one. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless his holy name. Psalm 103:1. Let's use this one. Alright, let's see if we can put something else down here before we put that quote down. What else can we put? Let's grab my small sheets. No, I think I'll use the big sheets. I just haven't decided yet what I want to lay down here. I kind of want the typewriter. Let's lay the typewriter down. Yeah, that'll work. And then we'll take this quote and just place it right above the typewriter. That's cute. And then off camera, I always say this, but off camera, I'll take my tweezers and smooth down the clear stickers. I wish that was in clear, because I think it would have looked better. I'm actually, hold on, we're going to change this. I think I'm going to use one of my Faith quotes, because I want a clear quote. I don't like that white. I'm going to grab one of mine. I think I'm going to use Saved by Grace. I have been reading, so last night I finished Matthew. I studied and read in Galatians, and then I started reading Romans, and I think I made it to like Romans chapter 8. My husband, it's football season, so he watches football, and while he watches football, I read my Bible and do Bible study. So I have been studying a lot on salvation by grace through faith. So I think this sticker is perfect. Saved by grace. And this will look so much better as a clear. Yep, see how much better that looks as a clear sticker. So of course I'll smooth it down off camera. Now let's see what we're going to do here. Now my box choices are going to be slim because of the shape of these boxes. So let's take a pink, and I'm just going to place them sporadically, and then when next week gets here, I will figure out what I want to write in them. So let's take, I almost want to use, I was thinking maybe I could use all 3 boxes, but maybe not. Okay, I'm not going to worry about whiting out behind there. It's not that big of a deal. Can't really notice it. Sometimes you can, but I think with the grid it kind of disguises it. It still looks crooked to me. Maybe it's just me. Alright, now let's grab something out of here. I think we're going to take this clock and stick up here. Cute. And then maybe we'll take this journal and place it right here. Alright, that is cute. We'll go over here to this side. So the only thing I didn't think of whenever I made these boxes was I only made 2 pink boxes. So what we're going to have to do is kind of improvise. And we're going to cut that, and then we're going to cut here. Because I need a pink box on the right page, the right side. So this may be too big. I don't know. I think we can maybe make it work. Let's cut it a little bit more. We'll put it here. That is crooked, kind of. That's better. Still a little crooked, but maybe it'll work. All right, so now we can do, so we have 1 green and 2 brown. So let's take this green, pink, and brown. Okay, so we're going to go here with this brownish color. Let's try to lay that down straight. Okay, and then we're doing a green. Actually, we're going to do a pink. And then we'll do a green over here. And then we'll do a brown over here. Okay. Alright, so this box is bigger. I wonder if I can fix that. So hard to line up. It's crooked, but I'll try to decorate around that or something to kind of take the focus off of how crooked it is. Okay, so let's see. What can we do? I really want to use this. So maybe... No. Why don't we put this down in between Saturday and Sunday? I don't normally write a lot in my planner for the weekend. So we'll do that. So that way I can use the sticker that I wanted to use, and it's not covering up too much of my week. I think we're going to take this one and put it on Monday. And I'm not going to trim. Sometimes I will cut like the bottom half of the sticker off or cut the bottom straight, but I'm not going to do that. All right, and then I want something to go over here. And I'm thinking that we're going to lay this sticker kind of over top of Thursday a little bit. All right, that's cute. And then I didn't even decorate up there like I said I was going to, but it's okay. We just need to now do washi and maybe quite possibly a quote up here. I just like doing 2 quotes. So we could do God has made everything beautiful in its time, Ecclesiastes 3:11. That's cute. Okay, so that was Faith Quotes 1. Like the OG Faith Quotes 1, not the 2025 Faith Quotes 1. I'm not sure how this is going to look. There's a lot of brown down there, so let's try a little bit of brown up top. Okay. And I think I am going to put just a little bit down here. I know it's a lot, but just to kind of make them look symmetrical. And then I'm actually going to move that other washi down a little bit. Can't cut this washi. So we're going to actually move this up, not down, up a little bit to make it kind of the same width as the other side. Okay. All right. That's cute. And then let's see if we can just put a little bit of this washi somewhere. I feel like this is too wide. I think I have some skinnier washi like this. Yep, I actually picked this out to use on another spread. But let's try it on this spread. So now let's just take a little bit, and I don't really want to do the boxes. We could try to do a little bit here. I don't know how this is going to look with the brown washi up top. Nope. Let's see what it looks like here. I think we're just going to leave it out. I think we're just going to call this spread done. Because I don't like the way that this pink washi looks. So that was kind of fast. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Yeah, that was pretty easy. I think it turned out super cute. Very functional still. And very decorative. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. So I am so gracefully broken over on both places. You can still use that code for 30% off in my shop. The code is fall in all capital letters and the number 30. Use that code at checkout. It'll save 30% off your entire purchase. That is good through the end of October. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.